In this video, you will get to know how to get Clash VPN with easy and simple method no matter you're using macOS, iOS, Windows, Android or Linux device. Let's get started. First of all, go to the link in the description and pin comment of this video. Here you need to register an email ID. You can use 𝒄𝒐𝒏𝒏𝒆𝒄𝒕, Outlook, iCloud or Yahoo. My initial coupon code is already added in the link. Once you create an account, log in. Once you log into this page, you can always go to translate this into multiple different languages, and here is your dashboard. Now you can go to purchase subscription, and in this section you will see 𝒊𝒅𝒆𝒂𝒂 and all of the packages. It's in Chinese. You can use Chrome browser to translate these boxes as well. Choose any package. You can choose one time or monthly. For every month 500 GB traffic is given. You can use as many devices as you want. There is no limit. You can also watch Netflix, Disney, Prime videos, browse YouTube or do anything such as using ChatGPT, Gemini, Google and other services in China, Doha, Iran, Qatar, Saudi Arabia or wherever you are located. Choose the package, and here you need to write down my coupon code, which is same as my YouTube channel 𝒐𝒏𝒏𝒆𝒄𝒂, and verify this coupon code. 41 RMB is already gone. Now you can go to place an order. Here are multiple methods to choose for the payment. First one is Alipay, then WeChat, and then USDT, TRC20 and BEP20. It means you can pay using cryptocurrency, Forex or Binance as well. After that, pay immediately. Then go to My Orders. You will see all your orders here. Now go to Dashboard and go to Quick Subscription. Here you can use all these apps: Clash, Meta, Hidify, Singbox, Shadowrocket, Quantum, ULTX, Surge and Stash. If you have any of these apps, you can directly export these nodes and proxies to that app or simply copy the subscription. Now open any app you want to use, for example Clash VPN. Go to Profile and here paste the URL you just copied from 𝒊𝒅𝒆𝒂𝒂 and then click on Import. Once you click on Import, it will import a 𝒊𝒅𝒂𝒂 profile here, and you can use multiple different websites, third-party service providers, nodes and proxies here. After importing, go to Proxy, choose Global if you're in China, and you can also choose Rule. I gotta choose Global, and here you can refresh the proxies. Some of them are showing timeout because I'm already connected to a VPN, that's why. Now you are connected here, you can see all the values. One important thing you need to do on Clash app, go to Setting and turn on System Proxy. Also make sure this number is 7897 in your app. You can also use alternatively Shadowrocket app. Go to Shadowrocket, go to plus icon, in front of type choose subscribe, and in front of URL paste this URL you just copied from 𝒊𝒅𝒂𝒂 and click on Save. Once you do that, you will see all these 𝒊𝒅𝒂𝒂 nodes and proxies and their ping value. You can refresh all this subscription within the app. Then make sure if you're in China, choose global routing as config or proxy. I always use proxy, and now hit on connect button. Same is the method on your iPhone iOS device, and if you're using Windows, you can use Clash VPN. If you're using Android, you can also use Clash VPN app. If you're using iPhone and don't have Shadowrocket payment method because this app is paid just for $1 lifetime subscription, then you can use Clash Plus. This is completely free app. Go to plus icon, go to URL, paste the URL here, then import. After importing, you will see 𝒊𝒅𝒂𝒂 nodes and subscriptions. Go to refresh and connect to any server. Go back and press on connect button. Make sure in the setting you choose under connection TU and enhance mode. It will work the best. I can show you. I'm connected to VPN. Now I can access YouTube. YouTube is banned in China. Good luck. Use coupon codes. See you next time. Bye.